how I always stay in control. How I always can stay in control is I control the only thing I can, which is me. No one drives this vehicle but me. No one determines my mood. No one determines what emotions I feel. Nobody but me. Nobody makes choices for me. No situation can unseat me. Nothing perturbs me. Nothing pisses me off. Only I choose to be pissed off. Only I choose to get that particular experience. Me. I'm the one who chooses my responses. So this doesn't mean, and this is why I'm always in control, but this doesn't mean I don't experience emotions. On the contrary, I experience every emotion. And experience is the key. That's the word you're looking for. Because I experience the emotion. I don't take up residence with the emotion and spend the rest of my life there. I simply experience it. I experience the emotion. I thank it for seeing me fit enough to keep company with. And it sees me as noble enough to recognize it as a noble being and to treat it with respect and honor. The emotion recognizes my abilities and respectfully asks of me to show my skills. So it chooses to present itself in my company so that I can use my skills to become the highest form of the version of Karen. So I sit on the couch with the emotion and I entertain the emotion. I treat it with respect. I offer it tea and cookies, whatever the case may be. And as soon as I acknowledge the emotion, it dissolves. Instantly. And sometimes even before, when I know it's coming, I'll wave at it and it will keep going. It doesn't even come in. It doesn't even stop. So once the emotion is acknowledged, it dissolves, because all it wants is recognition for doing its job. That's how I stay in control. I appreciate every emotion that sees me fit enough to present itself in my honor. I am, just like you, a noble being, and only the finest enters my castle. So whatever presents itself must be of the highest caliber, and it is always for my benefit. It's within my control to respond appropriately to each and every situation. So what have you brought me, noble emotion? What have you brought me, noble being? What have you brought me, noble situation? How may I respect and honor this great gift? I'm always in control because I control the only thing that I can control, which is my response, which is me. So you have the exact same power. You are all you ever need. You have everything you need because you are everything you need, and you are ready. You are ready. So subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate every single one of my subscribers. I'm talking to my audience because I know that they are here for themselves. They know what they need and what they want, and I so appreciate every one of you. Please subscribe. If you think this video is going to help somebody, then pass it on too. And then also hit the thank you thumb. So subscribe first and then hit the thank you thumb. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and live deliberately. Live deliberately. Namaste.